don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get rough.
I'm on that model baby shit. On the grind stack and flip. On that model baby shit. Okay? I'm on that model baby shit. On that grind stack and flip.
What's good, model babies? Welcome back to my channel where growth is promoted, success is supported, and love is encouraged. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. If you're not new, make sure to subscribe and you have on all post notifications so that you're alerted every single time your favorite YouTuber uploads a new video. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I've been struggling to pick up this camera and record content for y'all. With that being said, today I kind of just woke up. I literally did just wake up like 10-15 minutes ago. That's why I look so chill on me. I look so crazy right now. But today I kind of just decided that I want to vlog. I don't know what I'm doing today, so I'm kind of just gonna vlog like a random day in my life. I may go to the movies today. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing today. So with that being said, y'all just gonna come with me and see what's up. I'm gonna get up and out of bed, get myself together, wash my ass. So I just did a little quick sum to my hair. I ain't do nothing crazy, but you see I'm back. We gotta go clean out the car, go get some gas. I don't really know what else I have to do, but I'm gonna figure it out. We just gonna start off our day by going to get some gas and going to clean the car out because the car is filthy. So I'm trying to hold my phone, record. I'm walking to my car. It's literally freezing out here. So, hold on. First of all, I gotta put on this damn other jacket because, babe, like, let's not play. I'm gonna put this low. Ooh, I can't wait to hold my phone. Now let me stop. I don't even I'm definitely about to put this damn coat on because, baby, it's cold. I didn't even put the coat on the right way. So cold. I may not even clean my car today just because I'm freezing. Like, it's too cold to be out there trying to clean your car and do all that extra stuff. So I think I'm just gonna go get some gas and call it a damn day. But yeah, so I'm about to drive to Delta Sonic. I gotta put my music on. If you don't know, then yes, I did move, but I'm visiting back in my hometown right now. So it's real cold here. Did not miss this weather at all. I'm gonna do like a little life update type of video for y'all because I know a lot of y'all wondering, where did you move to? Like, why did you move? You're not even posting on YouTube. Like, I'm gonna get back to y'all. I got y'all. But yeah, let's go. I want y'all to see some stuff that I'm doing throughout the day, not just me talking in front of the camera all day. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm actually doing something. I'm getting my gas now. I really hope that my phone does not fall when I get out to pump my gas. Oh, we have to go to the bank today, guys. We have to go to the bank today, guys. Have to.
Comfort in my hands and all about me. All I got right now, really plays up resentment. Some more in my skin, it's all about. Blood stain on my shirt, do bitch on my nerves. All niggas got curved, going back on my word. It makes you thirsty.
Who was finna stay out there and pump that gas in the cold? Not me. Not model baby. Think not. after this, I'm not cleaning out my car today. It's too cold to do that. So gas is $3.13. Let me show y'all. Like, look at the gas prices. $3.13. It's been worse, but so I ain't even gonna complain. But
life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
I'll be back.
What you want? My new was looking but she don't love me, she too scary. I hope it's finally
And hand sanitizer, cause them gas pumps and stuff be dirty. My phone probably gonna fall, but we're going to get a car wash today. Definitely. So let's go do that. Let's go get the car wash. I'm really trying to drive slow so that my phone does not fall, guys. Oh shit!
I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Y'all, I'm feeling pretty and happy today, period. And I hope y'all feeling the same. I hope y'all feeling beautiful and happy today. I just want to say, don't let nothing distract y'all from the prize. You are the prize, period. So don't let nothing distract you and take away from what you got going on and you personally, feel me? Stay focused, be productive, and stay happy, stay positive. Always have a positive outlook on everything, no matter the situation, because there's always light in a dark situation. There's always light. You feel me?
I would have to hold my breath to get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever love me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are weird. Boys are weird. He doesn't see her. Trying to looking at me right. But boys are weird. Boys are weird. He doesn't see her. Trying to looking at me right.
Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is
at the gas stop, the gas station or whatever. Now I'm about to get some food. I think I want some Chick-fil-A. I kind of want like a Chick-fil-A milkshake and a Five Guys burger. But I don't think I'm gonna get that because I don't feel like going, like getting in and out of my car to go to two different places. No, not doing that. Five Guys don't got no drive-through, so I'ma just go to you would think my car is driving itself, bro. But okay, we gotta turn right here. Oh damn, we're supposed to go to the bank. I should go to the bank first, but I don't feel like it. So I'm hungry. We're going to get some Chick-fil-A, basically. So we're gonna get some Chick-fil-A, call it a day, feel what I'm saying? What do y'all get from Chick-fil-A? What do y'all be getting? Like, I want to get put on to some different stuff from Chick-fil-A. I just don't know what exactly to get. Like, I'm not one to try different type of foods and stuff if nobody puts me on to it. So, I'm just gonna get some chicken nuggets and some macaroni and a milkshake. Because milkshake sounds good. Period. Yeah. Why I can. We changing for the better. Dark clouds on nice and stormy weather. Alright, y'all. Let's get some Chick-fil-A. Hold on, y'all. Pump the gas, pump the brakes, pump something because it's Sunday. Chick-fil-A is closed, though. We're gonna go to Five Guys. Chick-fil-A is dead ass closed. How did I forget? I guess it's just meant for me to get Five Guys. Like, why do they do that? Could somebody tell me why Chick-fil-A closes on Sunday? I had my heart set on that, low key. Like, all right, y'all. So we're here at Five Guys. About to go in and order my food right now. Damn. Okay.
I never choose you on that mid that I'm right. Them hoes wanna just be leave you alone, but I said fuck it, we fight. I'm on the road trying to figure who you fuck with at night. Man, I say fuck it, prison got me better. Turn up, I got with that letter. Sneaking around with these niggas, I guess that nigga better. Try my hardest not to hit him. Know you think that I'm a bitter. Leave, I ain't got no I better not catch a nigga with him. Cause in the streets, nigga, we bang for life. For you, I risked everything. I feel like I paid the price.
It's freezing. I have to turn this heat up, like have to. But I just got a little cheeseburger and a milkshake. What do y'all get on y'all burgers? I'm putting salt and pepper on my burger right now, y'all. I don't know, I just feel like the little cheeseburger is definitely hit way better than the cheeseburger. So this burger is busting right now, bro. So I'm gonna put y'all on. Oh, man, why y'all ain't tell me I had some shit right there on my lip though? Why? But you can't see my eyes with these glasses on. But what was I about to say? So I'm gonna put y'all on. The dude in Five Guys. The guy in Five Guys just told me that they're about to come out with a cherry milkshake. Like, ew! Who eats cherries that much? Well, I mean, some people like, okay, never mind. But like, for me, ew. People be saying how they can't eat in front of a guy. Me, I'ma eat my food. One thing about me, I'ma eat my food. Like, I don't care who I'm around, I don't care who's looking, I'm going to eat my food. And on top of that, I'm gonna enjoy every little bite of my food. Every little bite. I ain't about to sit there trying to be cute, eating my food. I'm gonna eat my food, bro. I'm gonna eat my food. And that's that. Did they put a pickle on here? Is this a pickle? Like, it looks like a pickle. And I did not ask for pickles. Looks like a diced pickle. But yeah. While I finish eating, I'm gonna turn my camera off because I eat so slow. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, I still have basically a half a burger left, bro.
For this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sense. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that chop, too sexy for that chop. Yeah, 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 sexy, yeah, count, fitty, bandit, work it, red diamond, spaghetti, this paper, I shred it, I sweat it, no sweating, I saw you, begging, God tell you pity, I ain't done spinning, no pen, that's spinning, bags in that, my man ain't gon' steal it, but my bags for these young hoes, they was rich, the green gators, they look like a switch, through New York, I spent 26 niggas, too sexy, my neck, wait, get it, release me, caress me, I'll let you, today's day,
I'm gonna see y'all when I leave. I'm out of here. I'm gonna let y'all know how the movie go.
Are rarely real.
So I just got done seeing Scream. I rate the movie like a 9 out of 10. I fell asleep during some of the parts, but the movie was good. Like, it keeps you guessing. So if you like scary movies or whatever, I will recommend going to see Scream. It was good. It was a good movie. I'm gonna pick my camera back up soon, whenever I'm doing something. Hey model baby, so today is the next day because I did not finish vlogging yesterday. It was too much stuff going on. Basically I did Grubhub last night and I caught a flat tire basically. So I was trying to get AAA to come and whatever. They put the donut on, which you guys will see right here in this next clip. After they put the donut on, I just went home. I got in the shower and I went straight to sleep. I was so tired after yesterday. I had an eventful day yesterday. So with that being said, right now, like I said, it's the next day. I'm about to go get this tire stuff situated. It was a big long nail that went in my tire. I think I still have it. I'm finna show y'all what went in my tire. So this is what went in my tire, guys. Like, it was all the way through there. This went in my tire. This nail went in my tire yesterday. So I'm about to go get my tire handle and dealt with. Please excuse my hair, excuse my edges, because I didn't do nothing to my hair at all. All I did was take the scarf and the bonnet off. I really don't care today. I just, like, I got business to handle and we gonna handle it straight like that. But once I get my tire situated and stuff, I'm pretty much just gonna end the vlog. But that was a part of yesterday, so I kind of wanted to include it in this video. So yeah, let me go get that done and I will get back to you guys. Keep y'all updated. And hey model baby, so I am back. I didn't take my other jacket off because I was too damn hot. Y'all see the sun is on me right now. Sun what? Sun kiss, sun glowing, baby, glowing. I was able to get a new tire. However, the place that I went to, they weren't able to repair my tire because the hole was like bad. I showed y'all what went in my tire, bro. It went all the way through, so the hole was bad. I did get a new tire for a good price, so I'm happy about that. And I'm just happy that that I'm back driving, baby. So with that being said, like I said towards the beginning of this video, you always stay positive no matter what, because there's always light in a dark situation. Don't stress stuff that you don't have control over, and remember to always stay focused on the prize, on the main goal. Stay focused on what's important, okay? Because yeah, that's how you get through life. Stay focused, live with your soul and not your body, okay? Live with your soul and take care of your body is what I will say. So with that being said, that is pretty much the end of this vlog, the end of this video. If you guys like this video, or want me to do more vlogs, please let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much. Road to 3K. Thank you for supporting me and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you on the next video.